Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave XAGUSD.com YouTube channel. Today is July the 10th and we're gonna be looking at the chart of silver from the chart of the day today. 60 minutes time frame here. We can see silver is currently looking to finish with 5 higher. And within with 5 we subdivide into 1 here, and now looking for wave 2 pullback before it extends higher in the wave 3 or 5. Okay, now within the wave 2 there is a possibility we might see another leg down. Now it's not guaranteed because the idea is we like more upside, right? The idea is like we like more upside. Now so far we already have a 3 waves pullback, but that 3 waves pullback probably is too shallow to be considered to be wave 2, right? If you look at the retracement, it's 38.2. Technically, to me, that's kind of the minimum for wave 2 before I consider them as a wave 2. Usually 38.2. So in a way, yes, it is not the ideal. Even 38.2 is a little bit too shallow, but that's sort of the minimum for me. So yeah, so that's why the wave 2 could have ended. But it could definitely, it has space and scope if it wants to, due to what we call a 7 swing, which is a series of 3 swings down. This is the 3 swings down ending the first leg, and then the second 3 swings down here is going to be ending the third leg of the Y. If this can happen, guys, then basically we should be able to find another support later on at the 100% extension of the WX here, and then from there we can then extend higher afterwards, right? So the idea here is we like it higher as long as it stays above 28.58. We can either go, if this is more aggressive than what we're showing, we can rally it immediately like this. If not, then we can do another leg lower to finish the 7th swing before we do another leg up. Now if I zoom out and to give you some ideas, I'm gonna zoom out on the daily. So this is the wave 4 that you see here. So if that's your wave 4 on the daily, so that's got to be your wave 3 over here, right? And then you notice here that this current pullback, this pullback is corrective. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is a corrective sequence. Not only that, you can see how overlapping it is. That tells you it is a bullish market. So there's no question about that. It's a bullish market. You can see this rally has an impulsive characteristic, right? And again, even in the shorter cycle, that last pullback was clearly in 3 waves. This is clearly 3 waves, clearly corrective, right? So all in all, you can conclude this is a bullish market, right? You don't even need to ask, is this bullish or bearish? It is a bullish market. Now, I know on the daily time frame, until it breaks above this peak, which is 32.5, from technical point of view, you can always do what we call a bigger double correction. But I think it's less likely. Why? Because the rally here looks impulsive, number one. Number two, the 1 hour time frame, this pullback looks corrective as well. So I think all in all, the probability is still towards the idea that this is really in the end of the correction, even though we have not broken above here. But the rally looks impulsive and the pullback looks corrective in the shorter cycle. So most likely we will continue to see more upside against this 4 low here, which is against 28.5. And eventually, once we do get a break above 32.5, then that will confirm that the next leg higher has really started. All right. So that's the idea here for silver today, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. As always, if you want to get more updates, then feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.